What's up everyone? This will be a quick tutorial on how to fix Voice Chat SDK on Mobile Legends. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your Mobile Legends is up to date and make sure that you are connected to a network, whether it be your mobile data or via Wi-Fi. What you have to do next is to go to the settings by tapping on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Go to sound. Scroll all the way down and then make sure that both your voice chat and Battlefield voice signal is on. Once both of them are on, what you have to do next is tap Ranked. What you have to do next is make sure your audio and microphone is turned on by tapping the speaker icon and the microphone icon. One option is only to listen to your team, and the other option is to listen to your allies, which is if you're queuing solo. That's how you fix Voice Chat SDK on Mobile Legends. If you like the video, make sure to tap on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.